Good day everyone, my name is Vincent Tapata and I'm here today to tackle about measurement and measuring length.
Measurement is a system to measure the height, weight, capacity, or even amount of a certain object. Measuring length, the distance from one end to the other of the longest side of an object. History. In the 3rd century BC, Egyptian people used their body parts to determine measure of a things. For example, the handspan was considered a half cubit, while palm was considered 1/6 of a cubit. This unit of measurement are called non-standard because people have different forearm and handspan length, which later evolved into inch, foot, and yard, also called the system of measurement. By conversion, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. For long distance, the mile is used. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, also equals to 5,280 feet. When converting, we all know that dividing a value by the same value would be equal to 1. For example, 1 foot divided by 12 inches is equal to 1. 3 feet divided by 1 yard is equal to 1. So, these conversion factors may be used to convert from one unit to another. Cancelling same units would guide you in how to use your conversion factors. Example, convert 36 inches into feet. So 36 inches, find the inches, the denominator, so that we can cancel out the inches. So here, 1 foot over 12 inches. Cancel the inches. 36 times 1 equals to 36 over 12. So divide that, we get 3. Copy the foot or the feet. Example number 2. Convert 2 miles into inches. 2 miles times 5,280 feet over 1 mile times 12 inches over 1 foot. So cancel out the miles and feet. 2 times 5,280 times 12 over 1 times 1. So copy the inches. Equals to 126,720 inches. This English system of measurement was widely used until 1800s and 1900s, when the metric system of measurement started to gain ground and became the most used system of measurement worldwide. First described by Belgian mathematician Simon Stevin in his booklet De Tende, or The Art of Tens, and proposed by English philosopher John Wilkins. The metric system of measurement was adopted by France in 1799. In 1875, the General Conference of Weight and Measurement was tasked to define the different measurement. By 1960, CGPM released the International System of Units, which is now being used by majority of the countries, and the biggest exception being the United States of America. Since our country used to be colony of the United States, the Filipino were schooled in use of English instead of metric system of measurement. Thus, the older generation of Filipinos is more comfortable with English system rather than the metric system. Though the Philippines have already adopted the metric system as its official system of measurement, so the metric system of measurement is easier to use than the English system of measurement, since its conversion factors would consistently be in the decimal system, unlike the English system of measurement, where units of length have different conversion factors. So, here's a table of metric system of measurement. Converting the metric system of measurement, I'm gonna draw a number line. So 0 or meter for the center, and from meter to its right, dm or decimeter, cm for centimeter, mm to millimeter, so and so on. So to its left, meter to em for decameter, hm for hectometer, km for kilometer, and so on. So example, convert 60 centimeter to meter. So from centimeter, we're gonna move to decimal point. 60 centimeter, move to the left. 1, 2. The answer is 0.6 meter.
That's all. Once again, Vincent Napata here. Thank you for watching. Peace out.